Welcome to the Planisware Enterprise demo for clinical supply chain management. In the fast-paced world of clinical trials, every stage from API production to packaging requires meticulous planning and real-time visibility. Delays or shortages can impact trial timelines and patient access to therapies. Planisware Enterprise consolidates all supply chain data into a single platform, eliminating scattered spreadsheets and manual reporting. With intuitive dashboards, you gain full visibility and control across your operations. Here, you can proactively manage issues. The dashboard provides a structured view of risks so you can anticipate bottlenecks and act before they affect your trial. Monitor delivery performance with on-time delivery indicators that flag delays instantly, helping you assess their impact on production schedules. Here, all purchase orders are tracked in one place, streamlining communication and reducing risks of late deliveries. The dashboard also enables you to receive automated alerts for changes in volume, capacity, or supply constraints so you can respond quickly to prevent disruptions. Track volumes at every stage, from API and drug product to assembly and packaging, with clear breakdowns by project and country. By comparing planned versus actual production, you can identify deviations early and refine your supply strategy. Historical data helps you anticipate gaps and improve future planning. In a Phase 3 clinical study, production volumes are directly tied to patient enrollment rates. With Planisware, the entire organization works within one tool. Enrollment data is captured in real time and automatically converted into API and drug product volume requirements. This ensures reliable forecasts and immediate responsiveness to enrollment changes. Beyond real-time visibility, Planisware enables proactive planning. You can model multiple scenarios based on patient enrollment, production capacity, and potential delays, adjusting forecasts with confidence. Planisware automates data consolidation by integrating with your existing ERP, MES, and reporting systems. While ERP systems manage transactions, Planisware adds the forecasting, simulation, and visibility needed for complex clinical supply chains. Instead of hours spent gathering reports, you get automatically updated dashboards, alerts, and insights, enabling faster decisions. With complete traceability, every step of the supply chain, from API production to final packaging, is fully documented within the platform. Planisware Enterprise transforms clinical supply chain management, helping you streamline operations, improve efficiency, and ensure patients receive therapies on time.